Welcome to channel American Speakeasy.
Useful phrases, idioms with word pay. Like and subscribe to the channel. Pay attention. Meaning, focus on or listen carefully to something. Example, you need to pay close attention during class and actively participate in discussions. Pay a visit. Meaning, go to see someone or something. Example, we should pay a visit to Grandma this weekend. Pay the price. Meaning, suffer the consequences of one's actions. Example, he skipped his workout, and now he's paying the price. Pay respect. Meaning, to show honor, admiration, or reverence towards someone or something. Example, they gathered to pay respect to the fallen hero. Pay dearly. Meanings, suffer a lot due to a mistake or action. Example, if you lie, you will pay dearly for it. Pay in cash. Example, use cash to settle a payment. Example, do you prefer to pay in cash or by card? Pay dividends. Meaning, bring benefits or returns. Example, investing in education will pay dividends in the future. Pay for itself. Meaning, generate enough savings or benefits to cover its cost. Example, the new software will pay for itself in a year. Pay one's dues. Meaning, fulfill one's obligations or responsibilities. Example, she paid her dues to become a successful writer. Pay on time. Meaning, make a payment by the due date. Example, please ensure you pay your bills on time. Pay homage. Meaning, show respect or admiration. Example, the citizens gathered to pay homage to the leader. Pay off a debt. Meaning, settle a financial obligation. Example, with careful budgeting, he was able to pay off his credit card debt within a year. Pay in advance. Meaning, make a payment before receiving goods or services. Example, you need to pay in advance to secure your reservation. Pay back in kind. Meaning, return a favor or action similarly. Example, if someone helps you, pay them back in kind. Pay one's way. Meaning, to cover one's own expenses. Example, he always prefers to pay his way when traveling with friends. Pay top dollar. Meaning, to pay a high price for something. Example, she paid top dollar for that designer handbag. Pay through the nose. Meaning, to pay an excessively high price. Example, they had to pay through the nose for last-minute tickets. Payback time. Meaning, a time for revenge or retribution. Example, after years of mistreatment, it was payback time for the employees. Pay in installments. Meaning, to make payments over a period of time. Example, they decided to pay for the car in installments. Pay one's last respects. Meaning, to show respect or honor someone, usually at their funeral. Example, many people came to pay their last respects to the beloved community leader. Pay lip service. Meaning, to express support or agreement without taking any action. Example: the company paid lip service to environmental concerns, but did nothing to address them. Pay one's dues. Meaning, to earn something through hard work or experience. Example: he paid his dues in the industry before becoming a successful actor. Pay the ultimate price. Meaning, to sacrifice one's life. Example: the soldiers paid the ultimate price to defend their country. Pay someone back in their own coin. Meaning, to treat someone the same way they treated you. Example: she paid him back in his own coin after he betrayed her. Pay dirt. Meaning, to discover something valuable or make a significant profit. Example: after years of research, the scientists finally hit pay dirt. Pay the piper. Meaning, to face the consequences of one's actions or to pay for something, especially if it involves settling a debt or fulfilling a responsibility. Example: you can't avoid the law forever. Eventually, you'll have to pay the piper. Pay tribute. Meaning, to honor, praise, or show respect for someone or something, often publicly or formally. Example: the film pays tribute to the golden age of Hollywood with its classic style and storytelling. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on bell notifications,